Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size, please. So it's a V8. Is it a Trans Am?
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
So we took the cars from New York to Florida, but it went on a truck. It wasn't driven to Florida.
Okay.
I started driving the car to the DMV to get the new license plates. It started shaking, and it actually turned off on me once at a stoplight. And then I didn't drive it after that because I knew something was wrong with it.
So the engine was like...
The whole car was shaking.
Was it happen at idle, or was it only when like down the road?
No, it happened as it shakes as you're driving it.
I guess what I'm getting at is if it shakes only at like speeds, well, we could have an issue with the tire or the rim, which is common. But if the engine itself is shaking...
No, the whole car was shaking, right? Yeah, the whole car shakes.
Okay.
Yes, if some odd reason, like Florida, the speed limit on the highway is 65. So as soon as you hit, like, it was even shaking even more.
Okay.
That wasn't happening here in New York before we the car down to Florida.
Okay. Are there any lights on the dash or on the instrument cluster at all?
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Are there any lights on the instrument cluster, a check engine light?
No, came out.
Okay. And was it sitting for a long period of time at all, or no?
No. Drove it every single day to work, back and forth. The car was perfect. And then it got transported on June 28th. And the cars got to Florida on July 1st. Right? Then we drove it to DMV to do all the paperwork, and then that was it. She died.
And is this automatic transmission or a manual transmission?
It's manual, right? Sorry, it's automatic.
Automatic, okay. Well, let's some possible causes, okay?
Okay.
So if itself is running rough, we could have an issue with the tune-up components, the distributor. We could have an issue with... Let me take a look here. Sorry, I'm just getting some information together here for you. The harmonic balancer, which is actually like a pulley on the bottom of the engine that's bolted to the crankshaft that could cause a vibration. If it's the whole vehicle and it's not the engine related, it's related to the drivetrain, could be an issue with, I suppose it could do it, but that would be rather unlikely. The most likely cause would be tires or rims, followed by the drive shaft.
So I don't think it's tires because the tires are fairly brand new.
Okay.
And again, here in New York, I only drove it to work and home.
Okay.
And that was it. The job from here, like a 10-minute drive.
So my answer's still the same.
Are you located in Jacksonville?
No, but I can recommend a shop in your area if you would like.
Yeah, I would definitely like that.
Okay. All right. I can send over in the chat here once we're done. Once we're off the phone, I can send you a couple recommendations on mobile mechanics or even independent repair shops in your area. All you have to do is click the link and then enter your zip code. It'll recommend Repair Pal certified shops in your area.
Okay. I will come to the house.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I can do that. Other questions while we're on the phone?
That's it.
All right. Sounds good. Well, give me a minute. I'll send it over. And if you have any other questions, just reply back online, okay?
Thank you so much for your help.
All right. You bet. You're welcome.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.